Hey guys, it's me, Kimberly. This is how we go from drab to fab. So today we're doing Kathy's house. We are working on her front entrance, getting it wedding ready for her son's wedding. In the front entry, we always need to start with the front carpet. Make sure you get polypropylene, and any of those polypropylene rugs that are decorative look absolutely beautiful because you can wash them and hose them down outside. A little ottoman so that people can sit down and put on their shoes. And then where the old credenza was, we're gonna do something new. Nice black metal airy console with a beautiful arch mirror over top with some detailing in it. On the console, we did a lamp with a vase, black vase with some feathers inside, and then 2 candle holders. Funny thing about that vase, guys, it is 3D printed. And then to the left of that wall, we're gonna do object art, which is black and squiggly and cool, and that's all we needed to complete this space. Here's a tip, guys. When you are styling an entry console, or any console for that matter, you gotta make sure that your lampshade doesn't exceed the width, the depth of your console. For example, this console in this project was 10 inches deep, so we needed a lamp that was 10 inches deep. A buffet lamp would have worked because they're typically smaller and skinnier, but this lamp worked out perfectly because it was square, rectangular in nature, so it was long and narrow. It fit on there just beautifully, and I love lamps. They're a beautiful accessory and they really brighten up the space.
I truly believe you should live in rooms you love. Watch our videos and we'll show you how we take our projects to the next level. If you have a space that you would like to get done, don't forget to sign up for our free design program.